WOKRPRO Super Jobsite Backpack is designed with ultimate comfort and durability in mind. With its waterproof bottom, large capacity, and multifunctional compartments, it is the perfect backpack for carrying all your essential tools. Stay organized and prepared with the WOKRPRO backpack. Comfort: wider shoulder straps, large sponge pads on the back, and adjustable chest straps are ergonomically designed for a perfect fit. This backpack is very light, weighing only 1.905 kilograms, making it easy to carry and work outdoors. Durable and waterproof. This backpack is made from reinforced 840D polyester for long-lasting durability. Its impact-resistant, waterproof molded base is designed to ensure your tools stay protected, and includes a wide-opening zipper for quick and easy access to tools. Large capacity and multifunction. Generous 25L size provides ample storage space for your tools and equipment. With numerous pockets and compartments, this tool backpack keeps your tools well organized and easily accessible. The reflective strip design allows you to work safely at night. This backpack can meet your needs in every scene. As a business backpack, it includes protective padded pocket for laptops. As a tool backpack, it can hold many tools and equipment you need in the work. As a travel backpack, it's durable and waterproof. WOKRPRO Storage, keep your job easier.